Time to go back to the traditional double-edge safety razor for a better shave at the fraction of the price. Replacement blades are economical and come without the useless plastic waste. The three-piece safety razor has a long handle to ensures a tight grip. That says it right. It says it right there. It says to ensures a tight grip. All right, not just me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as you can see at the top, it says that it's plastique free. All right, so it's plastique free. So we're not polluting the streams and forest with plastique, but rather just biodegradable papel. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up very gingerly, like this. And it's going to slide out just like this. Let me go ahead and slide this out. And I'm going to pull this out right here. This is the razor. And we're going to be careful not to cut myself. And so there's a QR code for those of you who are QRs savvy. You can go ahead and take a picture of that or hold your camera up to it and actually get some information from that. So it comes with this very unique packaging right here. So in order to get it out, I'm assuming that I just have to pull the base off and then carefully pull the top off right here. So this is the safety razor. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the safety razor. I'm going to insert the blade on there, but before we get to that, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. And there are some more instructions right here. It says, first shave with a safety razor, be safe, and read our online shaving guide. So make sure you read the online shaving guide before you use their safety razor, as they say. So this is it right here. I'm going to put the blade in here, which comes with this. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you like how it fits right here. So it fits down just like that. Stays in place pretty nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And then I'm going to get in close so you can see this. So this is the razor that goes in there. It says handled with care. It's very important that you handle with care because this is sharp and it may cause cuts. It says Bambaw, not bamboo, Bambaw, double edge, platinum. Safety razor blades. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And, all right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and go ahead and peel this back like this. And here is the Bambaw platinum right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and go ahead and open this up like that. And so the finish on this is rather nice. I'm going to talk a little bit about the finish right after I put the blade in here, but it's a very nice finish that it has on here. So here is the safety blade, or safety razor. And I'm going to pick up the blade very carefully. I probably shouldn't have placed it down like that because I'm putting myself at risk of injury. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to get this up. All right, it's a little tricky getting this up off of the flat surface because the razor blade is definitely flat. So I picked it up very carefully. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this. It says Bambaw Platinum. And I'm just going to go ahead and place this down inside of the slots like this. And once it's placed on the inside like that, I'm going to take this part and how did this go? Oh yeah, so I'm going to take this part and make sure, you see how it divots down a little bit like this? That is for when I'm screwing this in and it can sit into place right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Remember the divot is going to be on the outside. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this and place this in there like that. So it's going to be sitting like that. It looks kind of funny right here, but that's how it works. That's how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to screw this in place. Now be careful. And if you want to actually have it placed down like that and screw it in there like that. That way everything goes into its slots right there. You see that? That's in the slot. That's in the slot. And it is, try not to do it too tight because you don't want to strip it, but you definitely want it to be in place. All right, so that is the safety razor in here. There's a slight bend on there. When I tighten it down a little bit, that's how it goes in order for you to get a nice curvature, a nice angle for cutting the hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to place this back in here. And that is your Bambaw Safety Razor. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.